Hello everyone, welcome back to the Thornton 100 Motorcycles YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing the Thornton 100 accessory bar clamp. We only need a few tools to do this and it will only take about 5 minutes. So let's get started. So I've taken 3 bolts out and I've left one slightly tight. So what I'm going to do is just support the handlebars and then hold everything so nothing drops, and then loosen off the last bolt. Now what we're going to do is replace the handlebar clamp and then reinstall those front bolts just loosely to start. Now I'm going to nip these up slightly and that will allow us to shift the handlebars into the central position. On the left hand side there is a dimple and we want to line the dimple up with the edge of the crack on the handlebar. So once the dimple's aligned and I've got the front bolts just nipped up, I'm just going to put these rear bolts back in, just loosely. So the gap at the front is actually tightened up. So what we're going to do is we're going to torque up the front 2 bolts to 24 Newton meters. And that gap at the front will be all the way closed up and there'll be a slight gap at the back. And then what we'll do, so we'll just torque up the back bolts, really clamp that down. So that's all finished. So you guys are good to go now and install either your Quadlock or your B-line accessory onto your bar clamp. So the clamp's installed and our accessory is ready to be bolted on. So it looks really good and it's a really useful tool, especially when you're going on road trips or you're going somewhere where you don't know the road. So thank you so much for watching and we'll catch you next time.